Hey everybody, this is Stephanie and I'm here to show you my Bundt pan, which is right here, and my tube pan, which is right here. These are pans I absolutely love, and I use them every year, all the time, in some cases, especially when I'm making a cake. That's what they're really for. These are for those good thick pound cakes. So, when you really make like a homemade pound cake, these are for those. Those are not for those little kinds of pound cakes or little box cakes per se. These are for really good pound cake. And this one here, this is my, I gotta give you a better view. This one is for my, it's my collection. This is my Nordic Ware anniversary collection. And it is sturdy, heavy. It bakes well. Even though it has this, this non-stick feature on here, I always still grease this pan or spray it with the baking spray. Always, no matter what, because it will definitely, I know it's definitely going to release because it does have this non-stick on here also. But the best pan, these are really the best pans in the world. I have two of these. And I also use this one. This is a tube pan. I use this also for my pound cakes. I have two of these also because I make maybe 4 or 5 pound cakes. So and during the holidays, so I make a bunch of cake. So I do use this one also. This works wonderful. Also with a non-stick area here, and I'm still going to put some grease or some I call it grease, but butter the pan, flour the pan, or spray the pan. I still do that, and it releases wonderful. Absolutely releases wonderful. Just make sure when you put the flour and stuff on, the butter and whatnot, make sure you also do this part as well as this one. Do the same thing. Do this part too. This one is just comes out at like a boxy, with no decoration, but really nice. Comes out very nice. And then this one comes out with this design on the inside. So it also looks really pretty. Either one of them are great. And I have them both, and I have two of both of these. And I'll tell you, wouldn't do without it. That's my opinion.